alright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello, how are you? I'm really fine. Now we gonna see the differences of 2D and 3D cameras. First of all, what is 2D camera?
A 2D camera is a standard camera with single lens. Every camera that is not specifically 3D is two-dimensional, wherein it creates an image in 2 dimensions, width and height. 2D cameras are more like fixed focus cameras with non-adjustable lens that only focuses sharply at a particular distance. They have wide-angle lenses and small apertures, so they are only used for taking pictures in ordinary daylight. Because the lens does not collect a good amount of light, they cannot be used in low light. 2D cameras are single-lens reflex cameras with a detachable lens, wherein a single lens is used to both view and photograph a subject. They provide automatic, semi-automatic, or manual control over shutter speed, aperture and focus. This makes them ideal for recreational photography. What is a 3D camera? Traditional 2D cameras lack geometrical knowledge and detailing, and they provide solely flat images. 3-dimensional or 3D digital cameras have finally tackled the issue of depth estimation by carefully coupling hardware and software. 3D cameras enable depth perception in images to replicate 3 dimensions, width, height and depth. They use multiple lenses to capture multiple points of view, generating lifelike 3D models from image sequences, which have a wide range of applications. The principle behind 3D imaging is stereoscopy. Well, the 3D content capturing process is different with different types of cameras. A stereo camera simultaneously captures video and associated per pixel depth or disparity information. Multi-view camera captures multiple images simultaneously from different angles. Then the disparity map for each pair of cameras is generated using a multi-view matching process, from which the 3D structure can be estimated. Difference between 3D and 2D camera. Imaging. The term 2D stands for two-dimensional, whereas 3D stands for three-dimensional. 2D cameras are single-lens reflex cameras with a detachable lens, wherein a single lens is used to both view and photograph a subject. Two-dimensional imaging refers to a subject that has 2 dimensions, width and height, or length and width. 2D cameras lack geometrical knowledge and detailing, and they provide solely flat images. 3D cameras, on the other hand, enable depth perception in images to replicate 3 dimensions, width, height and depth, which resemble the way we see them through our own eyes. Technology. In 2D imaging, the x-axis represents width and the y-axis represents depth, whereas in 3D, height is represented by the z-axis. The principle behind 3D imaging is 3D parallax and stereoscopy. Stereoscopic imaging is a technique used to create a 3D effect, adding an illusion of depth to an otherwise flat image, thereby mimicking the real world. Stereoscopic imaging either uses a pair of cameras placed at different angles to capture photos or a single moving camera to capture photos at different times. Multiple images taken simultaneously using multiple cameras are collectively called a stereoscopic camera or a 3D camera.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.